Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Super excited because we're going to be getting into my latest Stitch Fix, and it's a big box. If you're new, I'm Laura. I hope you stay around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I do have furry sidekicks. Right now they're not out here. We'll see if they join later, but we're going to try to get right into it while it's only the cicadas that are making the noise. All right, so when I say big box, Stitch Fix has been offering, I think, and I'm not sure it's to everybody yet. It might be still be in beta, but for you to get 5, 6, 7, or 8 items, and you can choose in your profile. I, of course, have been choosing the 8. I think that is an awesome idea. It helps you get closer to getting pieces that you love and get into that 5 where you can get the 25% off. Obviously, Stitch Fix is the styling service that started them all, where they're, delivering clothes right to your door so you can try them on right in the privacy of your own home. And they have really upped their game so much in the past, I would say, year, maybe 2. They have the preview now, so you can look at the clothes to see if any of those pieces resonate with you, and then pick what you want to be sent in the box, and then leave more notes about what the stylist should add. They have freestyle, where you can shop directly off of their site and get them and try them on within 30 days and return them. They have their favorites, so you can then go in and look at all of their categories in freestyle, and you can heart them. So there's so many ways now in which you can get pieces that you absolutely love. All right, let's start with my first bundle here. Oh, love Leopard. Yep, I love Leopard. I think I know what that is. All right, and I will say that you get a bag for anything you don't love and don't want to keep, and then you get a 1-pager here that'll have your notes from your stylist as well as your pricing sheet and a QR code where you can get ideas of how to wear the pieces. All right, let's do this. First up, these feel really nice. Sanctuary. This is the soft marine wide leg crop. Check that out. That's a very nice material. I like that it's off-white, so you could wear it into the fall. Those are cute. Patch pockets there. Nice big hem. Yeah, those are pretty. Pretty. Then we have the Z Supply all-day knit denim leather leopard jacket. How cute is that? Ah, love it. I love that. That is adorable. Then we have the Travis Matthews, which is a new brand I've seen they had. This is the Moveknit short sleeve V-neck polo. Feels like moisture wicking, super stretchy. Okay, I have shoes in here, and it looks like I have more than one pair. Here's the next bundle. I love that we're starting into fall transition. I'm a summer girl through and through. I would keep summer all year round, but the cold weather's coming, and I have to wear the summer clothes I have, so no more. All right, so this is by Sanctuary. This is the lead crop, standard rise wide leg. Oh, check those out. I like that. I like that green color. Yeah, that's nice. All right. All of these would mix and match too. Then I think this is, Varley. This is the Varley Eloise full zip knit cardigan, meaning it zips the whole way down. Has that higher neck. Hope to see what it looks like when it lays down. Okay. This is cute. This is by Free People. I really like this. This is the Plumeria floral vest in off-white. How adorable is that? Okay, I like that. All right, we're not done yet. Yes, there's 2 pairs of shoes in here. This is the Dolce Vita leather sneaker. Oh, check those out. I'm loving all the different leopard prints that they're coming out. I just kept a pair from Trendsend that are adorable, completely different, so cute. What is this? Oh yes, these I picked from the preview. This is the Jolin Bootie by Dolce Vita. I love. Okay, this is going to be a fun try on, right? Let's get right to it. All right, let's talk first outfit. I put on the Sanctuary pants. These are so fun. They're a little bit lighter weight, so great transitional material. I'm loving the patchy pockets here. And they are cropped on me. I'm 5'5" for reference. Paired it with the Travis Matthews polo. Put on the tennis shoes. I'm not typically, like, I'm not a tennis shoe girl, but I'm telling you, I think I'm going to become a tennis shoe girl because these are so adorable. Like, it's not typically my go-to shoe, but how cute are these? I love it. So this top is very stretchy, polo style. I typically don't pick these because of the collar. I never know what to do with them, especially when we layer, and I'm going to put a layer on top. So tell me how you like to wear collared shirts. But this is a nice one, super stretchy. The fit is great. It does hit, it gets short, like it just comes right to the waistband of the pants. So you can tuck it, but you might have to just keep tucking it or put a belt on to hold it into place. Looks really cute with the tennis shoes. This is a great transitional outfit, a really great work from home outfit. Fun running out to meet friends for lunch. It's adorable. And then you could also, double up on your leopard. I might pick one leopard to be the standout, but for the sake of what's in this box, I'm going to throw this on top. This is the typical all-day knit shirt. So you've seen it before, but in a fun new pattern. Stretch, comfy, perfect for all those travel days, weekends, just adding a pop to the top of an outfit. Like, I love this. Without the shoes, you could throw on fun gold or black or a bootie as you head into fall. But the tennis shoes aren't bad either because it's just a little bit subtle throughout the shoe. I think this is so cute. I love all these pieces, actually. So cute. All right, let's talk about these. The Travis Matthews Moveknit short sleeve V-neck. I'm wearing an extra small, $79.95. The Dolce Vita leather sneaker. I'm wearing an 8, which is my normal size, $150. The Sanctuary soft marine wide leg crop pant. I'm wearing a 2, $129. The all day knit denim leopard jacket. I'm wearing an extra small, $138. I love all of these pieces. What do you guys think? Next outfit. Okay, so we're really hitting on some of the top hottest trends for this fall, right? Brown. So I have brown shoes on. Leopard, which is so huge right now. I love it. Olive, always in. So I think these are really great pieces as I head into fall, even though I don't want to think about it and hope it's still a bit away before the cold weather comes. These pants I'm in love with by Sanctuary. The fit is so nice. They are hitting me right, at the ankle bone, top of my foot. I love them. I think they're a visual interest with the pockets in the front. Yeah, I love these. They have some stretch. Perfect. This sweater is so adorable as well, with all the fun little embroidered. This is actual embroidery, flowers on it and all the different colors. Has this cute little notch right here. I just have a bralette on underneath here, which worked out perfect. Adorable. You can do a little front tuck if you want, but you could also just leave it out. Paired back to these amazing shoes by Dolce Vita. I love a mule, and I think these are perfect with the chunkier heel. The stitching detail that gives them a little bit of a Western vibe here. A little bit, right? Adorable. So fun, very comfortable. All right, and then the last item I had to share with you. I love that I got like two full outfits here. This little jacket by Varley, cardigan with the full zip, kind of holey. What do you guys think? So this is always the color I struggle with, right? Because do you let it go off your shoulders? Do you pull it in so it doesn't go off your shoulder? Where do you let it lie? I think that's always my problem with this type of shoulder. It's not bad though. It's a really cute sweater. I love the gold zipper here. Here's what it looks like zipped, and then, you know, if it were chilly out and you didn't have a neck issue, you could zip it the whole way up and turn it into a little turtleneck. You know what I'm saying? You could zip it the whole way up. This is a really good box. My stylist did great. I asked for Kelsey to fit in while my stylist is Janina is out on maternity leave, and Kelsey's been doing a really great job. I did pick a few of these from the preview, but really great job. So the Varley Eloise full zip knit cardigan, I'm wearing an extra small, 148. The Sanctuary Lee crop pant in olive, I'm wearing a 2, 129. And the Free People Plumeria floral vest in off-white, I'm wearing an extra small, $98 for all 8 pieces, $1,031.95. Of course, you get 25% off if you keep 5 or more. We bring it down to $773.96. I don't do the styling fee because I have the Style Pass, but if I had the styling fee, the $20 would come off of it as well. The Style Pass is a one-time annual $49, and it does come off of anything you keep from that next box, so it's a great deal if you get offered it. All right, let's do a quick wrap on what you think I should keep. So I think there's definitely 5 here. I love this box. I love this sweater vest from Free People. I love the green pants. So the pair I had on here last by Sanctuary, I feel like that's already 2. I shockingly love these tennis shoes. I bought a full leopard pair with some red. So these are different, but granted still leopard. So I have to think about it, but I really liked them. And 25% off, I think I could pass on this Varley sweater. I think it's great, but for me and this neck, I just feel like I would struggle. So I'm thinking no. I think I could pass on this little top, even though I thought it fit really nicely, but to get me to a more manageable price point. I really like these cream pants. The fabric is really nice. It kind of reminds me of Faraday, so they feel really nice on. Loved, of course, the all-day knit. Love the all-day knit. And of course, I absolutely love these. I love them. So I'm definitely keeping these. Have to decide on the tennis shoes. I have 2 I think I can return for sure. Weigh in. Let me know what you think. I think Stitch Fix has been getting so much better. I will list all of these down below in case you would like to request any of them for your next fix. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I'll put all my information down below. Please use my link. You'll get money towards your first box, and I think you'll really enjoy it. Don't forget to share your favorites out of this box. Hit like and subscribe so I can keep on creating content, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.